Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. In just a few minutes, the results will be announced from the Indiana State Fair's Band Day Night competition. But earlier today, area high schools performed in competition that qualified them for the night show. Newslink Indiana followed the Anderson High School Marching Indians Tuesday at their last practice before the competition to see how they prepared for performance. The Indians placed 14th at the day show, which allowed them to accomplish their goal of competing in the night show. Muncie Southside held on to their first place title. Anderson Highland finished second and Cowan received 9th place. Despite signing a new contract in March, 118 union workers will lose their jobs when a Union City plant closes. Officials from the Union City Body Company told its employees if they signed the new contract, the plant wouldn't close. Now they say it's set to close October 9th. UCBC is a leading manufacturer of bodies for walk-in trucks. All current orders will be filled at the Union City plant before it closes. UCBC sales, service, and engineering departments will still be located in Union City. The rest of the operations will be moved to North Carolina. Well, while one plant closes, another is set to grow. A Marion plant beat out 11 competing metal stamping facilities to receive money for new equipment. General Motors announced it will spend $135 million to buy and install supplies for the local metal fabricating plant. The announcement comes 1 week after the Marion City Council voted to grant a tax abatement for the new equipment. Employees will produce car doors, roofs, fenders, hoods, and floor plans more efficiently with the addition. The Indiana Civil Liberties Union is challenging Muncie Mayor Dan Canan's ban on Confederate flags. The ICLU says the ban restricts free speech by not letting campers at Prairie Creek Reservoir fly any type of flag except the American and POW. Canan announced the policy in April after Muncie residents complained about a Confederate flag on a trailer at the campground. The group wants the court to prevent the city from enforcing the ban. Canan was unavailable to comment on whether Muncie will still continue the ban. Now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. Keep a light jacket handy if you thought it was cool today. Just wait until tonight. We'll be flirting with record low temperatures. Expect partly cloudy skies with a low of 50 degrees. Thursday, we won't even top 70 for the high, but we'll see lots of sun and a high of 68. And checking the 5-day forecast, the sunshine will continue all the way through Monday. Temperatures will gradually warm up. Highs will reach 80 degrees by Monday with lows in the 50s. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.